The part number for this starter is R613314A, and it's the exact match for that engine, 2.2. Today we are working on this 1995 Chevrolet Cavalier 2.2 liter. The starter went out. Doesn't do anything when you turn the key. You can test it from right here by putting a connection from here to this terminal. So these two right here, this is the live power, and then is the signal indicator that shoots it out right there. Don't forget to always disconnect your negative before you start working on this. So the top bolt is going to be a 13 for the top post for the positive, the one that goes to the battery directly, and the bottom one is going to be a 8mm. This is the shield. You're going to have 3 10mm bolts that hold it on there. See it already coming out. Number 2. There's number 3 right there. Finally, just the start process, make sure it turns over, and it turned right over. I would also recommend to go ahead and anytime you get a new starter or refurbished starter, to get it tested prior to installation, right when you pick it up.